In this video, we're going to go over how you fill out your educational plan using the IGETC pattern. The IGETC pattern is used by people who know for sure they're going to a UC, or they're undecided whether they're going to a UC or a CSU. When we look at the educational plan, you're going to have to fill out your name, put in my name, your W number, the date. Then we're going to fill this area out. If you're getting a degree with university prep, you're going to put your major here. If you're getting an AAT or an AST, you're going to put that major here, or your transfer major, and then the university that you're planning to transfer to. This piece right here is talking about your English, your math, and your reading, and where you placed. Have you taken the assessment test? If you have, you just put the check mark and where you placed. If you have already met the competency, you're going to check these little boxes here. In the case of the IGETC pattern, we're going to fill out this area that says AAT or AST, the IGETC for UC or CSU. This is the general education that matches up with the general education in the IGETC pattern. And when I say matches up, what I mean is in area A1 English composition, you're going to take English 101. There is no other choices. There are no other choices. And then here, there's group 1B. You're going to pick one class from here. And then in group 1C, oral communication, you see in parentheses, it says CSU only. So if you are one of those students that you know for sure you're going to a UC, then you don't have to pick a class from here. But if you're undecided, then you should pick a class. And then you see they match right here, 1A, 1B, 1C. Since there is no choice in the English, it's already pre-written on the ed plan. In the B area, you're going to come here and you're going to say, okay, I'm going to pick one of those classes. And in this fillable educational plan, you can actually go in here and list the class. And you want to list it with the prefix that's listed here because that's how you're going to find it in the class schedule. So here in area C, I'm undecided where I'm going, so I'm going to go ahead and pick my communication class. And that's what you're going to keep going all the way down this educational plan until you get to the very bottom. And again, it follows everything that's on this IGETC pattern. So you're just going to go through and you're going to pick the classes in each of the areas to fill in. After that, you're going to go to assist.org to get the transfer prep for your specific major. And then you're going to write those classes in here. And then the last thing that I need from you is I need to know when you're planning on taking the classes that are listed in here by doing a tentative program and filling in what you're planning to take next semester and the semester after and so forth until you're done. So if you are a little bit confused as to what you're going to put here, if you could at least fill in 2 semesters for me, and then you can come in later for an appointment so that we can continue filling it out. If you don't have a problem, then you can see that this educational plan continues so that you can keep writing all your classes until you're all the way done. And the reason we like that is because then you're going to know exactly how long you're going to be here. But there are prerequisites and things to classes, so if you're unsure of that, if you could at least do 2 semesters, that would be good. And again, using the IGETC pattern, when you go through, underneath the black section, it's going to tell you exactly what you need there, and it meets or it fits specifically in a certain area. So for example, 5A is right here. So whatever class you choose from here, you're going to list in here. So in a nutshell, that's how you fill in the educational plan. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to ask me. That's why I'm here, and I'd be happy to assist you in any way that I can. Once you have filled it out, then you're going to look at whatever mode that you want to send this to me, via email, via snail mail, however you're going to send it to me. There's a way to upload it into the course, and I will take it in any of the methods that you can, send it to me. You can drop it off at the office if that's what works best for you. As long as I have it, this is what is considered the final for the course, and I have to have one before I can give you credit for passing the class. Again, if you have questions, please ask.